Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will be looking at the impressive benefits of pineapples and why you should eat pineapples every day. Pineapple is said to have originated from South America and is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that can fight inflammation. Also, known as Ananas comosus, this healthy fruit has loads of health benefits that can aid in good digestion and boost your immunity. This fruit is also good for your hair, skin and bones. It contains vitamin A, vitamin K, phosphorus, calcium and zinc that can work wonders in fighting many diseases. Its rich source of vitamin C helps in maintaining a healthy immune system, while its content of manganese provides you with a healthy metabolic rate. Thus, the two major compounds that make pineapple a healthy food are manganese and vitamin A. Well, all of us know that this fruit is good for our overall health, and you can consume this fruit by slicing it or by making juice out of it. Here are some pineapple health benefits that you need to know. 1. Treats cold and cough. If you are suffering from a bad cold, then you need to make it a point to eat pineapple. This is because this healthy fruit contains bromelain, which is an enzyme that has inflammatory properties that can fight infections and kill bacteria. Eating it regularly can prevent you from a cough and cold. Well, isn't this a tastier option for you to get rid of that horrible cold and cough? 2. Strengthen bones. Pineapple is rich in manganese that helps in strengthening your bones. All you need to do is to add this fruit to your everyday diet, and this will help you maintain a strong body and keep your bones strong and healthy. Manganese maintains good bone strength, and when it is combined with zinc, copper and calcium, this substance can be super healthy. Thus, pineapple has all the components, and this is why this fruit can aid in stronger bones. 3. Good for teeth. Eating pineapple is said to strengthen your gums and keep your health strong. Your teeth and bones are made up of calcium, and pineapple do have good content. It also does have manganese that also helps in strengthening bones and teeth. Just drink pineapple juice every day and stay healthy. 4. Prevents cancer. A pineapple a day can keep cancer away, and this is true in the case of this healthy fruit. All you need to do, drink pineapple juice every day and reap the benefits of it. The best thing about this fruit is that it slows down cell damage and makes you look younger. This fruit has loads of antioxidants in it that can protect you from a wide range of diseases and fight some dangerous organisms that may affect you. 5. Aids in digestion. Gulping down all of those tasty dishes can sometimes make you feel heavy and lead to indigestion. All you need to do is to drink some pineapple juice or eat it and you get rid of that stomach ache. Pineapple has a rich source of bromelain, dietary fiber and vitamin C that helps in good digestion. 6. Good for your eyes. Regular consumption of pineapple can reduce your risk of macular degeneration, which is diseases that affects the eye as you get older. However, this healthy fruit has a high source of vitamin C and several antioxidants that can aid in good vision. 7. Reduce symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis involves severe pain in the joints, which is primarily caused due to inflammation. Pineapple contains bromelain, which is said to have a major anti-inflammatory property, and all you need to do is to make pineapple juice and drink it. This will ease joint pain and prevent you from arthritis. 8. Prevents hypertension. If you are suffering from hypertension, then make it a point to start eating pineapples regularly, as this fruit has high amounts of potassium and lower amounts of sodium that can maintain blood pressure and make you feel relaxed most often. This is the best natural way you can control your blood pressure level. 9. Reduces risk of blood clots. Bromelain, being the major substance in pineapples, will reduce your risks of blood clots. Thus, you need to make this healthy fruit your good time pass snack. It can benefit your health in many possible ways, and so make it a point to consume this fruit very often. 10. Contain antioxidants. Pineapples are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that have the ability to prevent diseases that your body is prone to. Your body is prone to a lot of diseases as you age, and as a result, this can cause chronic inflammation and weaken your immune system. Pineapple has antioxidants that can boost your immune system and protect you from many diseases. 11. Prevents nausea. Pineapple contains digestive enzymes that can reduce nausea. This is because of its bromelain enzyme that will take away nausea. morning sickness and can be very beneficial, especially for pregnant women. How difficult can it be for you to sip a glass of pineapple juice? What are you waiting for? Go grab a glass of pineapple juice and stay healthy. 12. Natural Energizer. Pineapple contains valine and leucine, which are two substances that are very important for the growth and repair of muscle tissue. Drinking 1 glass of pineapple juice can help you overcome fatigue and boost your stamina to keep you running the whole day. The best thing about this fruit is that it will keep you hydrated the entire day and provide all the energy you would need to run yourself. 13. Stress Buster. Pineapple has serotonin, which is a natural stress buster that keeps your hormones and nerves relaxed. All you need to do is to eat or drink some pineapple juice, and this will keep you healthy. When you are stressed, you can end up inviting a lot of health problems. Thus, you can beat that stress by drinking just 1 glass of pineapple juice. 14. Pineapple benefits for skin. Pineapple is good for your overall health, and similarly, it is also good for your skin and hair too. If you are suffering from acne, skin rashes or skin damage, then you need to consume this healthy fruit, which will rejuvenate your skin and make it look clean and fresh. Here are some health benefits of consuming pineapple for the skin. 15. Treats acne. Pineapple juice has loads of vitamin C and antioxidants that can treat acne, sun damage and uneven skin toning. Bromelain is a content that can fight against inflammation and swelling in your joints. If you would want to look fair, then all you need to do is to consume 1 glass of pineapple juice that will help you beat all those scars caused by acne. It will also keep your skin hydrated and make your skin clear. Pineapples are delicious, low in calories and loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. Their nutrients and compounds have been linked to impressive health benefits, including improved digestion, a lower risk of cancer, improved immunity, relief of arthritis symptoms, and improved recovery after surgery and strenuous exercise. Pineapples are also incredibly versatile and can be consumed in a variety of ways. To experience their health benefits, try incorporating pineapples into your diet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you want more health tips and recipes, please subscribe to the channel.